Hey everybody, welcome back to Thirsty on Thursday. We recently spoke about Wellborn's Home Concepts line. Today, let's train on Wellborn Select Series. So Select Series is all American materials with half-inch sides, tops, and bottoms. The cabinet box is a laminated furniture board with 3/4 inch adjustable shelves, but can be upgraded to all plywood box. The face frames are 3/4 inch by 1 3/4 inch, and size is giving you 17% more stability compared to other manufacturers. Your standard drawer is a laminated furniture board with 3/4 inch sides and a 1/2 inch front and back. Epoxy coated self-close guides are the standard in Select Series. In Select Series, there are some most popular upgraded options. These are plywood cabinet ends, all plywood construction, and dovetail hardwood wood boxes with full extension soft close guides. Also, you can upgrade the door hinges to soft close if desired. In Select Series, all your exterior sides, tops, and bottoms come natural maple or natural plywood. For this reason, you will need to finish the ends that are exposed so they match the front cabinet door. Select Series has many custom options available for you at an economical price. You can get overwhelmed, but go through the spec book and choose when needed. At Cabinet Wholesalers, we have designed a so-called cheat sheet of the most used custom options available to you. Now, Select Series offers traditional overlay, full overlay. The full overlay style is the most common right now, but traditional is making a great comeback. When it comes to doors and colors, Shaker is still at the top and in a glazier or white paint color. You can save with MDF fronts if using paint, right around 15%. The face frame will be hardwood, but the doors and drawer faces will be MDF. Like I said, this could save you 15% in comparison to using a maple or hardwood choice. Due to MDF, it does not need as much prep for paint as the hardwood does. So remember, no matter what series you choose with Wellborn, it is all American made and made completely in-house at their facility. Y'all have a great week, and I'll see you next time.